How to hide followers in Instagram from friends without private account. If any day you are an Instagram user but you do not have a private account on your very Instagram there and you would like to hide your various kind of followers from your friends in the Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to search the very Instagram application on your mobile device, and when you find it, you have to tap on that. And this way, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. You also need to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. That may be your Wi Fi connection or your data connection. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is you cannot just hide your various kind of followers from your friends in the Instagram if you do not have a very private account out there. However, there is a next step, that is you can restrict your very friend from your very Instagram account from which you would like to hide the followers. So for that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device, and in the search icon you can search the very friend from which you would like to hide or which you would like to restrict. So you can tap on your friend like this, and after you tap on your friend like this, now you can see the three dots on the top. You have to tap on the three dots and you can see the option of restrict. Now you have to tap on the option of restrict, and when you tap on the option of restrict, the person will be restricted and the person won't know about your followers. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.